Hi there. In this video I would like to share you how to install a SSD hard drive in our PC. Here I am adding one of the 480 GB Kingston SSD. So first of all, open our computer. Take your SSD and input the SATA power cable. Like this. Then put your SATA cable. Now we can fix the SSD here. It's very simple to fix. You can fix anywhere. It's very lightweight. Then we can connect the SATA cable in our motherboard. Like this, you can see the next on your hard disk SATA 2. Connect there. That's enough. It's very simple to connect like this. Okay, now we want to format our computer and use your SSD as a primary hard drive. Put your all programs in SSD. Then you can see the difference of your computer speed. Thank you. Have a nice day.